Welcome to Penny Productions.
Dreamer Cats TV.
Can you see the face in this flower? It's one of those ghost road signs that points to somewhere that has long since closed down. Everyone in the small town of Hythe knew someone who worked at Portex, a company that specialised in the manufacture of medical equipment that saved lives and yet, ironically, couldn't save its own future. Well, not in Hythe, since operations were relocated to the other side of the world when it was subsumed by the global giant Smiths Medical. Probably to cut costs, but not much consolation for those that lost their jobs. Now, the original piece of land has been taken over by wildflowers. An apt reminder of our transitory nature and how quickly our endeavours are forgotten. There are talks about it being developed on again, but for now nature's doing a bit of jazz improvisation, with plants popping up in all sorts of unexpected places. Is this a pansy doing the can-can? And here's an interesting floral hybrid that will get tongues wagging. Thank you for watching my video, and please feel free to leave a comment and feedback. Now that you see that video, you might want to click on these other cardboard adventures.